thank you all for being able to join Zoom in such a short notice. Thank you. So just gonna 1 second. I'm just gonna admit one more person, and then we'll start. Okay, 2 seconds.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
My name is Annelien Eriksen, and I'm the president of the Norwegian Academy of Science and Letters. And
Nice
it
to meet
is my pleasure to tell you that our board has just decided that you are the 2026 Kavli Prize laureates in astrophysics.
That's pretty cool.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
That's really spectacular announcement. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And
You.
thanks the board.
Let me give you the citation. For uncovering the fossil evidence of past mergers, proving that the Milky Way galaxy was built through hierarchical accretion. Can you each take turns and give me your reaction to this news?
I'm speechless, so I'm just digesting this.
Yeah, I think I feel completely overwhelmed. I feel tears coming through my eyes. It's just a very emotional moment.
Yeah, me too.
Yes, I can understand that it might make one speechless. Yes, that's okay.
I like how you kept it quite mysterious, Eirik. Yeah, I was trying to decipher your messages, but I was clearly not going in the right direction. I also had to Google what week 36 was.
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's really impressive. I guess I just feel quite humble, right? So I don't know. It's strange to be getting an acknowledgement and a prize for something you like doing anyway, right?
Isn't that fantastic?
It is quite spectacular.
It's our privilege, I think, isn't it?
It is a privilege, yeah.
And it's very well deserved. So congratulations again.